Today, we're going to take a look at how to install the new high-powered LED reverse lights for the Jeep Gladiator from Oracle Lighting. These replace the back bumper reflectors and give you a lot more visibility when backing up at night. The installation is pretty straightforward, so we're going to go ahead and take you through the whole install process right now. All right, so before we go ahead and crawl under the truck and get started, let's go ahead and do a quick tool check. All we're gonna need today is a 8mm socket, a 7mm socket, and a pair of pliers. Like we mentioned before, we have 7mm screw here, here, and here. Might be a little bit hard to see, but basically, we're just gonna go ahead and unscrew these. Get rid of that. All right, so now the Oracle part is ready to go in. And I mean, honestly, it's really nice. Like that plastic part that just came out, felt really flimsy. This is a really hefty metal, feels very sturdy. I mean, this is, you go take that plastic piece off and drop this in. You want to make that Tim Allen sound like, oh, 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 oh. I showed you how to do it with the ratchet the first time. Now, this is how you do it with the proper tools. All right, so now with our 8mm socket, we're just going to take off the two tail light screws here. All right, so with the tail light removed, we're gonna go ahead and unplug it, set it on the side. We're gonna go ahead and take our cable that's coming from our reverse light here. I'm gonna hand it to myself through this opening and bring it into here. Basically, what we're gonna do now is take these two connectors and we're gonna tap them to the reverse light circuit on this connector here. We've got our pins number 7 and 8, which is a black wire with a gray stripe and a white wire with a brown stripe. We're gonna go ahead and tap those two. All right, with that done, now the black wire is gonna go to the black wire and the red wire is gonna go to the white wire. We just wanna make sure that the spade actually goes into the connector and then we have a good solid connection. I know some of you watching this are cringing right now because you hate T-taps, and that's totally fine. We get that. So we also offer an optional plug and play harness. Basically, this side will plug in here, this side will plug back into the tail light, and then either one of these leads will go back to the reverse lights. These are fully encapsulated waterproof connections. So everything here will be totally waterproof, and this is an optional part for these lights. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be using the taps here, so we're basically going to reinstall the taillight and complete the same steps on the driver's side now. This is exactly what I was talking about before. See how this connector here? It's not going in. When I push this in, it's staying on the outside of the insulation, so I have no connection here, so this light's not going to come on. So we gotta make sure that this is actually pressing into here to get a secure connection. That's a really common issue with these types of connectors. All right, so that pretty much wraps up the installation, and these lights look great. Even when they're off, they make a big difference, but at night, backing up, they make a huge impact. So if you want to find out more about this or other great products for your Jeep Gladiator from Oracle Lighting, be sure to visit us at www.oraclelights.com or call us at 1-800-407-5776. Thanks for watching.